Oh my god! That's the biggest chamber
Here it
ever.
is. Your father went to great lengths to protect this room from those who would abuse it.
What do you mean by that?
Control terminal activated.
Whoa. That's the biggest terminal ever. Golly.
He loved you very much, you know. He was always XJ0461 this and XJ0461 that. I'm supposed to play this for you. It's sort of an orientation message.
Hello, XJ0461? Or should I say, clank? Here, in this very chamber, watched over time. And now that you understand the power of the clock, I must ask that you protect it at all costs. For even the slightest misuse of its power can rip the very fabric of existence. The clock, much like time itself, is a gift, and not to be tampered with. But like any father, my only wish is that my...
Hey, who the hell turned off the lights? I was watching that.
I'm sorry. Were you in the middle of something?
Intruders! Protect the chamber!
Ah!
I've got you now. Take this and this, and now the haymaker. Victory in your face. What is it?
You are correct, sir. Led us straight to the chamber.
Splendid! Notify the Valkyries. It's time for Unnecessarily Evil Initiative Omega 91!
Right away, sir.
Ready for your massage, Dr. Nefarious?
I didn't send for a massage. Go away!
Would you cut me a break, pal?
I mean, would you just open the door, please?
Hey there!
Now entering the media center.
Come in. I just picked up a looping transmission on one of the emergency frequencies. Tell me what you make of this.
I don't believe it. That's a distress call with Clank's signature. Aphelion, can you track the source?
The origin appears to be Planetopedia. Acquiring coordinates now.
Just think. By tonight, your friend will be safe and the clock will be ours. I'll be there as soon as I can.
Well, well, well. If it isn't the galaxy's favorite Lombaxes. Come to rescue your little friend.
Our quarrel isn't with you, Cassiopeia. Hand over and we'll cause no more trouble.
Cause no more trouble, huh? Karina and Libra are dead thanks to you. And now that we've gotten what we need from the caretaker, his time has come. Valkyries! Destroy the Lombaxes! Poor thing. You've wandered right into our Valkyrie training course. No man has ever survived! Farewell, Ratchet. Take solace in the fact that you never stood a chance.
Why am I falling? What? Who's it? Oh! Hey! Oh! Oh!
Hello, Ratchet.
Hey, pal. How you doing?
Fine. You?
Yeah, fantastic. Yeah, I'm just gonna lie here for a while, though, okay? Whew.
I know what to mean.
I'm sorry about your father, Clank. I should have stopped Nefarious sooner.
It is all right, Ratchet. Nefarious will pay for what he has done.
And my parents were hurt. I'll never forget this.
The only thing that matters now is that we keep the clock safe.
Now don't worry. Once the past's been corrected, you'll have the full support of the Lombax Praetorian Guard. The clock will be in good hands.
You do not understand. Time cannot be changed.
Using a clock improperly can rip the family systems to end our life to end like this.
Or it could save an entire race of Lombaxes who risked their lives to defend this galaxy.
Ratchet, remember the Dimensionator. Some risks are not worth taking.
Well, maybe Clank's right. If there's even a chance it could destroy the universe, the risk is just too great.
Risk? Risk is what makes us who we are. Ratchet, our kind is lost without us. Think of how many that clock can save. Think of your parents.
I'm sorry. We need to stop Nefarious before he makes the same mistake we almost did. So, you coming, General? General?
Guess it's not coming with us.